Hello everybody, today we are going to start with a new reading comprehension lesson and a new theme. The theme for this week is community. Of course, you are going to ask yourself, what do we mean by community? A community is everything around you. Teachers, neighbors, bus drivers, firefighters, your family, everyone around you. These all together form something called a community. This video is going to show us what is the definition of community.
What makes community? Houses and neighborhoods? Is it great schools? Or shopping choices? Is it its businesses? What about natural amenities such as parks and lakes? Is a community made strong by its trails, roads, highways, and interchanges? No, community is made of something stronger. A community is people. 1 minute, a person can be on top of the world. And out of nowhere, their world gets turned upside down. The weight can be crushing. That's where CLC comes in. The Community Lifeline Center provides assistance to individuals and families to bridge short-term crisis so they can get back on their feet. It's people helping people when they need it most. And that's the definition of community.
So this is what do we mean by community. It's when people stand together, work together, live together. This is what do we call community and what forms a community. Now we are going to start with the vocabulary words. We are going to read the sentences to find the meanings of the words. Stared, the boy could understand that he was doing something wrong when his mother stared angrily at him. So when his mother looked at him, he understood that he was doing something wrong. Determination. The first element of success is the determination or persistence to succeed. They said determination or persistence, so determination has the same meaning as persistence and is never giving up. Local. Local employees are protesting about the latest government regulations in their country. Local employees are the employees that live in this country. Honorary. Mr. Zayat has received an honorary Academy Award for lifetime achievement. It means something that gives him an honor. Hospic. Because the nurses at the hospice specialize in dealing with terminally ill, they made my father's last days pleasant. Hospice is a hospital, but it's specialized for people who has cancer most of the times. Announce. The father had tearful eyes as he wanted to announce the engagement of his daughter. He had tearful eyes when he wanted to tell people. So to announce is when to make something known. These are the meanings of the words. Stared, looked straight ahead without moving your eyes. Determination, the action of continuing to try to do something, although it is very difficult. Local, relating to an area near you. Honorary, given a reward without qualifying in a standard way. Hospice, a hospital for people who are dying, especially from cancer. Announce, to make something known, to tell people about something officially. This genre of our lesson for this week is the realistic fiction, and of course it has some features. In a realistic fiction, characters resemble ordinary people. Characters may change as a result of the problem they must resolve. Characters and plot are believable, so it's a story that has happened really in life, or it might happen or take place in our real life. It has real voice, so the tone is sarcasm, dialogue natural and contemporary. Reader usually feels that the story really happened. Characters, plot, setting, themes, events, and problems accurately reflect real life and engage the readers in understanding universal human problems. So a realistic fiction story is a story that might have happened before or it might happen. This is the title of our story, Last Wish of a Fireman. How does the support of a family help overcome hardships? This question is very important because when a person is surrounded with a family that loves him and supports him, he will always overcome his hardships. This is the story. Of course, we'll read the story throughout the live sessions and explain it more. And there is a very big worksheet related to the lesson that we are going to watch together also.